Hey everybody, welcome back to our tiny mess. We love spending time in the great outdoors. It's part of the reason why we live in our camper. More time outside, less time inside. With how much we love being outside, lessening our impact on the environment is a big deal to us. So today we are going to show you our 5 tips for going zero waste. Stay tuned. We buy a lot of our food in bulk. We've got these great reusable bags that we use when we go grocery shopping. We go to the bulk section and we use them to refill on all of our dried bulk items. So no more tin cans, no more plastic bags. We're just saving so much on garbage packaging waste. And not only are we saving on that garbage, but we are also saving on money. The dried food that we buy is far less expensive than its cooked counterparts. We use stasher bags. These are silicone sandwich bags that we use. They're washable and reusable. We use these for when we take a road trip. We'll make a sandwich, bring that in the car when we go hiking for snacks. When we go working at a Starbucks. These are great. No more single-use plastic sandwich bags. Wherever we go, we bring our own water, we bring our own coffee cup, and we bring our own straw. Another big component of our zero waste practices is meal planning. We try to minimize as much food waste as possible. So every time we go grocery shopping, we meal plan for the whole week. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have a meal plan, we stick to it, so no scrap of food ever goes wasted. Reusable leftover food storage. So we used to have a lot of glass jars. We used mason jars, we used Weck jars, we used leftover peanut butter jars, leftover salsa jars. But being in a home that moves a lot, we've broken a ton of our jars. And it's starting to get a little dangerous and expensive, replacing all our jars. So we've had to move to something a little more mobile friendly. We recently found these silicone food storage bags, not that much different from the stasher bags. The only difference is there's a flat bottom on these, so they can sit in the refrigerator a lot easier. Now we literally just got these today, so we haven't used them yet, but we will give you an update on how much we like these. Now, in no way are we perfect at being zero waste, but we try and we do the best we can. If we all make a change in the way we consume our products, it would make such a huge difference overall. So I encourage you to make one small change now. If you want to read more about what we do to be zero waste, check out the link to our blog in the comments below, as well as a link to our Amazon store where you can buy some of the things that we use to help us. Thanks for watching.
Very nervous. Okay, it's just subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching today's episode. Am I saying again? Thanks for watching today's episode. Make sure you subscribe. Can you see my hands? Thank you for tuning into today's episode. Oh, there's naked man running by. You know what? Let's not make it so